Luna's learning adventure.
Hi friends! Welcome back to Luna's Learning Adventure. Today, we're flying to a land full of kangaroos, coral reefs, and cool accents. Australia! Look! A kangaroo! Did you know they carry their babies in a pouch? And here's a sleepy koala. They love eating eucalyptus leaves and taking long naps. Under the sea, Australia has the Great Barrier Reef, the biggest coral reef in the world. Colorful fish, sea turtles, and even sharks live here. Australia's first people are called Aboriginal Australians. They've lived here for over 60,000 years. They make music with a didgeridoo and tell stories through art and dance. Now we're in Sydney. Look at the Opera House. It's shaped like giant sails. People love surfing at Bondi Beach and eating yummy Aussie snacks like fairy bread. Australia is full of wonders, from cuddly animals to magical reefs. Where should we go next? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Luna's Learning Adventure. Bye-bye!